Yeah, welcome to Fanog YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at this question that is dealing with functions. The question says we should determine whether each of the following function is even, odd, or neither even nor odd. We have three functions in this question. We have function f, function g, and function h. Of course, you recall that a function is even if you have that f of x is equal to um, f of minus x. That is even function. And then if the function is said to be odd if f of x is equal to minus f of x. So we want to find out, classify this function according to whether it's even or odd or neither even nor odd. So let's take the first function. First function, you have a, which is f of x. So we want to find out whether f of x is exactly f of minus x. If that is the case, then we say that this function is even. But if we have that f of x is equal to minus f of x, then we say that it's odd. Let's proceed. F of minus x, if you put it here, this will be equal to minus x up to power 5 plus x is minus x. Okay, so we are looking for f of minus x. So you have minus x. And of course, you have here to the, you have minus 1 to power 5 x to power 5 as well. You know, minus 1 is the coefficient of x. But remember that everything in this bracket is to power 5. So the minus 1 is to power 5. Then plus minus is minus x, which will be, of course, minus 1 to power 5 is still minus 1. So you have minus x to power 5 minus x. Of course, you can factor out minus 1 here. So you have minus into x to power 5 plus x. Of course, look at this and look at that. This is exactly f of x. So you have this to be equal to minus f of x. So you discover that f of minus x is exactly equal to minus f of x. And that's exactly what we said for a function to be odd. So this function is an odd function. It's an odd function. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Kindly click on the subscribe button and you get subscribed to Fanog Research Group YouTube channel. That's how you get notified whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you. So we go to the second question. B. B, you have function g of x, which is equal to 1 minus x to power 4. So you are looking for g of minus x. Okay? So which will be equal to 1 minus, of course, instead of x, you have minus x. So you have minus x to power 4. Okay? So, of course, like you did before, this 1 minus, the coefficient of x here is minus 1. So you have minus 1 to power 4, okay? Then dot x to power 4, which will be equal to 1 minus this positive, right? So minus 1 to power 4 is plus. So it's plus 1. So you have plus x to power 4. So you discover that g of x is exactly 1 minus x to power 4. And then g of minus x is actually the same thing. So this is equal to g of x, so that g of minus x is exactly g of x. That's an even function. That's an even function. Lastly, we look at number 3 or number C, which says that we should determine whether this function h is even, odd, or neither. So let's have h of minus x. H of x is this, so h of minus x will be equal to 2 into, look at that, you have minus x, minus x to power 2. Of course, this is equal to minus 2x. Of course, minus 1 squared is plus 1. So you have minus x squared. And of course, when you look at that, what do you have there? This is equal to minus 1 into 2x plus x squared. Okay, so, and if you look at this does not belong to this class or that class. Okay, because h of x, you have 2x minus this, okay, which is x squared. So this function now is neither odd nor even, because this neither of this condition is satisfied. F of x equal to minus f of x, f of x equal to f of minus x, or f of x equal to minus f of x. So thank you for watching. To get uh, uh, updated or notified whenever new video is uploaded, please kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.